Africa Senior High School, 13 points. Prempeh College, 23 points. We move to round 2, the Truster AI Speed Race. So in this round, the question goes to all the schools simultaneously. The first school to ring the bell to give a correct answer, 3 points. The second school that rings the bell and gives a correct answer, 2 points. The third school that rings the bell to give a correct answer, 1 point. Please, all incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 mark. And remember our 3 seconds rule. When you ring the bell, you are telling me your answer is ready. So if you delay conversing, reading the question back to me, it all goes into the 3 seconds. So if it is tree, tree, if it is the floor, floor, if it is head, head, please go straight to the point. Or you will hear this bell. When the bell goes, I'm not taking any answer, you are saying. Good? Are we good? Okay, we start round 2. But this round is sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. Okay, question 1, 30 seconds. A 500.0 centimeter cube sachet of water was found to contain 0.0400 grams of dissolved calcium ions. Express the calcium ion concentration in mole per decimeter cube. Prempeh College said
2.00 by 10 raised to an exponent of -3 mole per decimeter cube.
Correct. Next, 30 seconds. Determine the sum of the coefficients of reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction NH3 plus O2 going into NO plus H2O. Yes, Prempeh College said
19.
19, yes. Next 30 seconds. How many atoms are present in the empirical formula of the 4th member of the alkyne homologous? Yes, said.
It is 5.
Did you say 6 and 5?
5. I said it is 5.
Oh, it is, okay. No, it's not correct. West Africa Senior High?
13.
13, yes. So the 4th one is pentyne. Pentyne. So C5H8. Right. 30 seconds. A biased coin with probability of head equals 5/8 is tossed 3 times. Find the probability exactly 1 head appears. Prempeh College said
Fraction with numerator 135 and denominator 512.
yes. Next, 30 seconds. Find the Cartesian equation in x and y. From the equations, x equals 3 cos theta plus 5 and y equals 3. Yes, Marcus.
X squared over 9 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1.
Incorrect. Y equals 3 sine theta minus. Prempeh College.
X minus 5 squared, the x minus 5 squared over 9 plus y plus 3, this squared over 9 equals 1.
Incorrect. y equals 3 sine theta minus 7. Okay, so the expression x minus 5 squared plus the expression y plus 7 squared, and this equals 9. Next 30 seconds, solve the simultaneous equations. 4x squared minus y squared equals 63, and 2x minus y equals 7. Prempeh College said,
X equals 4, whereas Y equals 1.
yes. Next 30 seconds, determine the magnification produced by a converging lens of focal length 15 centimeters of an object 12 centimeters from the lens. Yes, Prempeh College said.
Times negative.
Sorry, what did you say?
Times
Times.
negative 5.0.
Incorrect. West Africa?
3.0.
No. It is a plus 5.0. 30 seconds for the next question. Find the internal energy at 7.00 degrees Celsius of a quantity of a monoatomic ideal gas whose heat capacity at constant volume is 32.0 joule per Kelvin. Yes, Prempeh College. Kwabena.
It is 8.96 kilojoule.
The answer is correct. Next, 30 seconds. The power dissipation of a resistor is 5.00 watts when the voltage across it is 4.00 volts. Find the power Yes, Kumasi girls. Trifina.
3.20 watts.
Into the microphone.
3.20 watts.
No. Find the power dissipation of the resistor when the current through it is 0.200 ampere. Yes, Prempeh College. Set.
1.28 multiplying 10 raised to an exponent of negative 1 watts.
Yes. Next, 10 seconds. So the rest, all 10 seconds, right? Name the structure that acts as a barrier and prevents the mixing of oxygenated. Yes, Prempeh College.
The cardiac septum.
Septum, yes. What type of pyramid represents the total dry weight?
Pyramid of biomass.
Yes. The last question for round 2. Name the primary hormone responsible for phototropism.
Auxin.
That is correct. And that ends round 2.